Today we are talking about our public safety DAS Annunciator and status system. First, let's review the current code requirements. These are part of NFPA 72, 1221, and the International Fire Code. They require that a dedicated Annunciator panel be provided to monitor your public safety DAS. It can't be part of an existing fire alarm panel. It must be totally dedicated to monitoring your equipment. It must have visual and labeled indications for each component and overall system status. This includes the bidirectional amplifier, donor antenna, backup battery, battery charger, loss of AC power, and a summary alarm for any system malfunction to confirm communications integrity between our system and your hardware. So, if a short or open circuit occurs, an appropriate alarm is communicated to the main fire alarm panel in the building. The system's enclosure must be NEMA 4 rated to withstand a high pressure, 65 gallon per minute spray from a fire hose. It must have its own independent power supply and backup battery that provides at least 24 hours of operation. It's housed in a small 10 by 8 by 4 inch enclosure that can be wall mounted, and it weighs only 12 pounds, including its battery. It includes 4 easily removed conduit knockouts in the base of the enclosure that mate with standard fittings. The unit serves as an interface device between your amplifier, donor antenna, power supply, and backup battery communicating with the main fire alarm panel in your building. It provides industry-standard Form C dry relay contacts that communicate with your building's alarm and has internal connections for the required end-of-line resistors. To monitor communications integrity with your equipment, we utilize the same standard method that most all fire alarm systems use. An end-of-line resistor is placed at the DAS equipment that our panel senses. If the cables between your system and our panel are shorted or open, a communications fault or alarm is generated. Large lettering and ultra-bright indicators can easily be seen by first responders. We use a green LED to indicate good or OK normal status, red to indicate an alarm, and a blue color to show a communications fault. If your system does not provide normally closed Form C relay contacts that indicate an alarm, not a problem. We have provided an easy means to program our system to accommodate virtually any non-standard alarm method that your equipment might use. We have developed this monitor to operate with any existing components and to augment amplifiers and power supplies that may be non-compliant. For example, we have alternative circuitry to check battery capacity and charger status if your system does not provide these features. All you need is a connection from the main battery to our unit. Likewise, we can monitor the donor antenna feed to detect problems. Using some low-cost bias T fittings, we can detect if the antenna feed is open or shorted due to a kink, a loose connector, or is inadvertently severed or disconnected. This system is very easy to install, connect, and program. It works with any amp, battery, or charger. It's completely code compliant, and we have even provided easy means to test and simulate alarm conditions to check end-to-end performance and validate communications with the building's alarm. We provide convenient online ordering, and if you don't see what you need, let us know and we can discuss customizing for your particular system. Thanks for watching this video.